Trubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ubak proses di saukmi ubadi nong mi khmat Meghalaya constituency hakasngi basan jong gador bar senrai ke yung dor bar Dewïong ke Jylla labu jingkeli halor ke Jingdon jong ke Jingtih Dewïong Be-Aiñ bak ke Jingshalan yu Dewïong Ulaong bakat kom ke jingyu i ling bak yu video hakirin san social media bat kom ju akikot kubor layu i ba layu ban bat ikitrok kit Dewïong bat ya kibriu bat ling bak ni la sungutu bak ke Jingtih Dewïong bat ke Jingshalan Dewïong Be-Aiñ kadang don Loong baka Jylla Meghalaya kalalong kaweni ki Jylla hapo kari kapapaw hakabati yu Dewïong Be-Aiñ Uloong ba kiladan bun ngut kinong treiti Dewïong ki bala du no yala ke jingim handai kalong kabas ngosi pat ba ki bahaya ngasam jong kitay ki bayap ki kalam yo satya ka nugo nugo jingsha siu la kalong na ki try jaka ni ka jingno isin a na ka sorkar Ulaong bala yu i batang ki brio ki badai kinong kayi Dewïong ki barius pa kinyo ban kayi bat shalan Dewïong bat ki badok kim yo satya Haba jubab halor kani ke jingpas ngau jong ba piti saukmi ukondat ke sangma ulaong wa watla ka sorkar ka don ni ke jingkit khli halor kani ke Jingdon ke Jingtih Jingshalan Dewïong Be-Aiñ hapo ka Jylla hanrei mentau la ban ong e halor ka man namar kadang don hapo ka yeng ka shari ka Jylla
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. So thank you for allowing me to move for the calling attention notice on the Rule 54.1 of the rule and procedure of conducting the business. This is related with the news item appeared in the local newspaper, the Shillong Time, dated 20th August 2022, under the caption, Mining Tragedy, Strike Meghalaya once again. So, the issue of coal, I may say that in the year 2018, when we assemble and sat in this house, we take the issue of coal mining in the state. But now it is running of the end of this 5 years. Again, we have to discuss of the coal mining. We started with the coal mining and ending here with the illegal coal mining. So it is very unfortunate. I thought and we thought that remaining now of less than 5 years, we thought that the problem of coal mining could be settled once and for all. That is interest of the state, interest of the people, and many of labor. If it is outside, or if it is inside, they can get back at the job that have already been done, that is the coal mining. It is very unfortunate, sir. Now running of less than 4.5 years that the labor cannot go to coal mining. The coal mine owners, they cannot start the work. But in other way, it is a very unfortunate that we have already been see and so witness day to day, if it is in the local newspaper, if it is in social media, if it is in electronic media, we can see that a truck is plying on the road, a coal mine is already on the road. That I can see that illegal coal mining is going on, illegal transportation is going on. Police have seized the truck which are carrying of the illegal coal. Coal owners have been arrested, but we have seen that many problems that are related with the coal in our state. So I may say that Meghalaya has become one of the headline in the country related with the coal mining. So the last parliament session, the union minister have said for the last 4 years, there is no coal business in the state of Meghalaya. They in Delhi, they have only knew that there is no coal business. While we in Shillong, while we in the state of Meghalaya, we could see that coal is flying, coal is already there in our state. But the very unfortunate one, sir, that many laborers died. If you remember, sir, the Sun mine tragedy in December 2018, in which 16 laborers died. Then in May 2021, the Krem Oli accident in which 6 miners died. Against this year, 19 August 2022, 6 miners died and death of 2 laborers in a coal pit of Shalang in West Castle in February last year. So we have been experiences of many labor death, but it is a very unfortunate stage. The family members they didn't get any compensation, if it is especially from the landowners, because this is the matter deal with landowners. It may be if the government sympathize or have a heart of compassion, they may be extend of the or extra monument those who have died of this tragedy. But it is a very sad affair. So when we look at the MD government under the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma and his cabinet colleague, they have done the best and convenes entity and even Apex Court that they have already allowed of coal mining operation in the state. So if we look at that for the operation of the coal mining in the state, it is very difficult to fulfill all the criteria put forward by the NGT, even of the Apex Court. Extraction of coal according to the present NGT norm or Apex norm, it is very difficult. So with the present norms of NGT, present norms of the Apex Code, I may see only the rich coal miner they can run of the extraction of coal or doing a coal business in our state. Local coal miner, they cannot do this business. It required a huge lot of money. Investment matters not end only in the state of Meghalaya. You have to go from one department to another department. But the final touch, we have to get the clearance from the government of India, even after the NGT and others. But it's very difficult. Because of that reason, we have not heard that many of the local coal miners have only started of this business because the complex of the guideline put forward by the NGT and the Supreme Court. We heard about the last reply of Honorable Chief Minister in the last session. They said that there are a coal miner from Giant Hills. They have only get clearance again to extract the coal. That's why I have only said that only the rich can do the coal mine, but not the poor. So I thought that the government our government of the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, because of the complex of the criteria, the condition which will be difficult to complete, are fulfilled by the coal miners. I thought that the government again go to NGT, go to Supreme Court with a simplify of the norms or the condition criteria which is required. But I will see the later today. But my request for the Honorable Chief Minister that if he can take the matter again, how to simplify of this criteria, the condition, so that our people can do back this business. We understand, sir, the business of the coal mining, I may say that has prospered the state. And in the meantime, that we have got a lot of revenue. For the last 4.5 years, I may say that the state have not earned any revenue because of the no coal mining legally. Why illegally is so much of coal mining? That's why the government can have loss of so much of revenue from the coal. It is important, sir. It is coal is one of the business that can generate employment, and so we can earn more revenue. And I'm sure this will come that our people can go back to the coal mining and go to business, and the economy will prosper in our state. With these words, sir, I resume my seat, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, at the very outset, I am very grateful to Shri P.T. Sokme, Honorable MLA from Meghalaya constituency, for drawing the attention of the government regarding the mine accident that appeared in the Shillong Times on 20th of August 2022 under the caption, quote, "Mining tragedy strikes Meghalaya once again. One dead, another critical in coal mine mishap in West Khasi Hills," unquote. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, the issue of illegal mining is a very serious issue, and the government of the day is very concerned about it. However, I cannot comment on the issue of illegal mining in the state right now, as it is sub judice and pending before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya in PIL number 2 of 2022. Hence, my replies to the Honorable Member will be restricted to the mine tragedy as reported in the Shillong Times. On 19th of August 2022, at around 8:30 a.m., the Superintendent of Police West Khasi Hills District, Nongstoin, received some information that 2 coal laborers were trapped inside a coal mine at Urak near Riangdim under Shalang Police Station in West Khasi Hills District. On receiving the information, a police team led by B. Kharjana, MPS, and Sub-Inspector H. Kurba of Shalang Police Station rushed to the place of occurrence for conducting inquiry and for taking necessary action. At around 3 p.m., the police team reached at the place of occurrence, and during the course of inquiry, it was ascertained that the coal mine belonged to Shri Hubert R. Sangma, resident of Songsak, Gurakalam village near Shalang PS in West Khasi Hills district. It was also learned that a total number of 7 laborers were working inside the mine when the tragedy struck them. Out of the 7 laborers, a person named late Lependro Sangma, 34-year-old resident of Uguri under Calcutta Police Station in North Karo Hills district, succumbed to his injuries inside the coal mine, while other persons, Shri Hendit Momin, residents of Guri under Calcutta PS, North Karo Hills district, sustained injuries. After conducting inquest and post-mortem examination over the dead body, the deceased was handed over to the family members. The injured person was discharged from the hospital after availing necessary medical treatment at Shalang PHC. On the same date, the police cordoned off the area, drew sketch map of the area, took photographs of the area, etc., in presence of the witnesses. The police also seized about 7 to 8 tons of coal, some implements used for coal mining like 2 thelas, 2 shovels and 2 pickaxes. After receiving information from Superintendent of Police West Khasi Hills, the Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills District deputed Shri H.K. Taba, MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills, and Shri L. Kharmon, MCS EAC in charge Moshunrud Civil Subdivision, to conduct inquiry into the said mine accident. The magistral report confirmed the mine accident that occurred on 19/8/2022. It further said that the mine owner, Shri Hubert R. Sangma, was clandestinely operating the mine and when the mine tragedy took place. On August 23rd, 2022, the Director of Mineral Resources, Mining Engineer, Mining Officer of Mining Geology Department, accompanied with Shri D. Maulin, Police Inspector in charge, Moshunrud, visited the site to get first-hand information about the place of occurrence. The place where the accident happened is located in a remote and very inaccessible area. It is located in West Khasi Hills district. To reach Urak, the police officers first have to travel to Riangdim village by 4-wheel drive vehicles. It took them 1 hour and 45 minutes from Shalang to Riangdim due to very bad road condition. From Riangdim to Urak, they have to walk on foot for another hour and 30 minutes. Visit of officers of mining and geology confirmed the reports submitted by the police and the magistrate. An FIR has been filed against the mine owner at Chalang Police Station, White Case number 28-8-2022, under section 188/304A IPC and under section 21(1) of the MMDR Act 1957. The police also arrested Shri Hubert R. Sangma, mine owner, and the investigation is on. The Department of Mining Geology has recommended an ex gratia of 5 lakhs to the next of kin of the deceased, late Rupendra Sangma, as per recommendation of the NGT committee for other similar cases, and rupees 50,000 for Shri Hendit Momin, resident of Uguri village, Karkutta, PS, North Karo Hills. Sir, the government is leaving no stone unturned to stop the illegal mining and illegal transportation of coal. Apart from the punitive penal actions, the district administration is taking all possible steps to stop illegal mining, and whenever such cases are detected, strong actions under various provisions of the IPC and MMDR Act 1957 are being taken against violators. The district administration is also taking preventive actions for preventing illegal mining by increasing patrolling, including drone surveillance by the police. As was mentioned yesterday by the Honorable Home Minister, that till 31st of August 2022, 1,652 cases have been registered for illegal transportation, out of which 1,354 have been charge sheeted and 472 have been convicted. Similarly, for illegal mining and extraction, 199 cases have been registered, 108 have been charge sheeted, and 23 have been convicted. Hence, from the government side, all possible action is being taken whenever such knowledge of such incidents and information of such incidents have come. With these few submissions, I hope I have satisfied the concern of the Honourable Member for Meghalaya constituency. And with these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.